On your iPhone, open the Passwords app, verify your Face ID or passcode, and then here tap on All, and here you will find all of your saved passwords. You can use the search passwords box to find out any specific account password very easily. And here you get all of your Wi-Fi password, your passkeys. Now let's see how to see your saved passwords in iPhone from Google. On your iPhone, open any Google app. Make sure to select the exact Google account in which Google account you saved your passwords. Now tap on your photo, tap on Manage your Google account. In here, tap on Security and Sign In. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on Password Manager, and you directly jump into Google Password Manager. Also here you will find all of your saved passwords. Just tap on the account, verify your Google password, and then you will be able to see the saved password.